Welcome to Tech Solutions Hub, your trusted source for assistive technology. Empowering accessibility, innovating for a better tomorrow. Explore our tutorials, product reviews, and expert insights. Learn how to harness assistive tech for independence. Connect with us. Subscribe for latest updates. Hit the notification bell. And join our community on social media. Breaking barriers, one solution at a time.
The instrumental for this video is provided by InnerSanctum Entertainment Ltd.
Hello guys, you are welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Solution Hub. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to schedule posts on Telegram, be it in a group or within a channel, or it could be your chat and someone. If this will be the first time that you are visiting this channel, you are welcome. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, drop your comment, and share our content as much as possible. So without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into the demonstration. If you may ask, what does it mean to schedule posts on Telegram?
Scheduling posts on Telegram means planning and setting a future date and time for a message or post to be automatically sent or published in a Telegram chat, group, or channel.
So, what I will do now is to locate the Telegram client that I'm using on my phone. I'm using Necogram. I'm not using the official Telegram client. Let me open the Necogram in order to show you how you can schedule your posts. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll be making use of our Telegram channel in order to show you how to schedule posts on Telegram. So let me look for the channel here.
Channel, tech_solutions_hub Telegram channel. Received at 9:01 a.m. How to use image description approval. Data 127. And list 127 items.
So this is the channel. Let me open it.
Tech_solutions_hub Telegram channel. Broadcast. Edit box. Out of list.
So immediately my focus is on the edit box after opening the channel. So what will happen now is that this is where you are going to input the text that you want to schedule. But for the sake of this tutorial, I will not be typing any text. I have something that I want to paste here within my clipboard. So what will happen now is that I'm going to open this edit box.
Show in English, US, QWERTY, keyboard.
So let me open my talkback menu in order to paste what I have in my clipboard in this edit box.
Talkback menu, actions, and list. Actions, paste, and list. Pasted. How to use image description of Google Talkback. https://com/x4g_m6cz8 question mark psi equals bjkrxa on moves 3k. Show in English, US, QWERTY, keyboard. Tech_solutions_hub Telegram channel.
This is the post that I want to schedule. So after pasting the text in the edit field, what will happen is that I'm going to swipe to my right in order to locate the send button.
Send.
So I have my send button here. But instead of clicking on it directly in order to send the message, what I'll be doing is to long press the send button.
Keyboard hidden. Schedule message. Schedule message.
As you could hear, it said schedule message. We still have another option here apart from this schedule message, which is
send without sound.
But we are not doing anything with this. So what concerns us is
schedule message.
So I'm going to click here.
Necogram. Schedule message.
So it's opened the schedule message dialog. I'll be swiping right.
0% today. Slider.
So it says today. If I want to change it to tomorrow, since I'm using talkback, I will just swipe up. If you are using commentary screen reader, you can press your volume key to adjust the slider, your volume up key. So let me swipe up here.
0%. Wed. October 30th. Slider.
So it said wed October 30th because I'm recording this tutorial today, October 29, which is on Tuesday. So I've changed the day to October 30th, which is going to be tomorrow. So let's swipe right again.
0%. 14 hours. Slider.
So this is where you are going to adjust the hour. It's on 14 hour, which is 2 p.m. So let's swipe right again.
0%. 42 minutes. Slider.
So if I want the message to upload to the channel or to appear on the channel tomorrow by 2:42 p.m., I will just leave this 42 the way it is. This is where you are going to adjust the minutes. I want the message to appear on the channel exactly 2:42 p.m. tomorrow, Wednesday, October 30th. So what I will just do now is to swipe right again.
Sent on October 30th at 14:42.
Then I have send on October 30th, 14:42, which means 2:42 p.m. tomorrow. If I should click on this now, let's see what will happen.
Schedule messages. Schedule messages. English. US. QWERTY. Keyboard hidden.
So it has gone like that, which means the content is going to be available on the Telegram channel by 2:42 p.m. tomorrow. That is it for this video, guys. If you love this content, let me know in the comment section for this video. Bye for now.
Before you go, subscribe to Tech Solutions Hub for more useful contents like this.